Hi, I'm Brooke McMinn with the Friends of Birmingham Botanical Gardens. Right now is a great time to tackle some tasks in your home garden. We're here to share some quick tips on how to do it and make it easy. Tip 2, plan to plant. Think about what you want to plant and where you're going to plant it. Read the handy little tags that come in your plants from the garden centers that tell you exactly what kind of conditions they want to grow in and put them in those conditions. Then choose plants that you enjoy growing. If you like to look at pretty flowers, pick the flowers you like. If you want to attract pollinators, birds, butterflies, and bees to your garden, pick plants for them. If you want to harvest vegetables for your family to eat, choose things that you know you like to eat. If you don't like eating Brussels sprouts, you don't have to grow Brussels sprouts. If you want to start from seed, stay tuned to the Friends of Birmingham Botanical Gardens for our webinar on growing plants from seed.